So somebody's losing her mind for it's time for bed. You alright? Are you having a tantrum? Are we having a tantrum right now? Huh? What's the problem? What problem? Now you can say hi. Are we having tantrums? Huh? Are we having tantrums? Before we go to sleep, we're going to have tantrums. Allie, Allie. Allie, Allie. Oh, really? Oh, really? All the paper right there to cover their cages. Oh, really? Is that right? Gonna get out of your system before go bed? Huh? You're losing your voice? Are you losing your voice, Missy? No, not yet. Allie. 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 Allie, you wanna growl? Allie, do it. There you go. Allie, do it. You do it? Go dance! Go dance! Go dance! Really, go dance! Go scream! Oh, goodness! Oh, goodness! Oh, goodness! You're being silly girl. Silly girl. Hi, Allie. I asked the Lord for wild, crazy umbrella cockatoo, and He delivered 100%. Yeah! See? My crazy girl. I love it. I love it. Yay, Allie. Yay, Allie. Every night we do this. Yay, Allie. Oh, Allie. Go dance. Go dance. Allie. Allie. Pretty bird. Do that, Allie. Go, pretty bird. Allie. Allie, pretty bird. You pretty bird? Oh, I got prune, huh? Hi, Allie. Hi, Allie. Okay, are you done now? We done from our fits? We're all done? Calm down? Okay. Say good night. Good night. Good night, Allie. Good night, Allie. Good night, Allie. Night, night. No, I said good night, Allie. No, I said good night, Allie. No, good night, Allie. Hey. Good night, Allie. Good night, Allie. Good night, Allie. Good night. Good night. Huh. Well, gotta get this child settled down. Good night, Allie. Yes, you are a pretty bird. And that's how we roll. Scream and say, pretty bird. Good night. Night, night. Good night, everybody.